All right, let's get started with our logarithms unit test. In the first question, we have log b to base 3 multiplied by log 27 to base b. Which of the following is equivalent to this? Okay, so we can write this thing as log 3 cubed. Okay, 27 can be written as 3 cubed. There it is. So we can write this as log um, b to base 3 multiplied by log 3 cubed to base b. What we can do is we can use the rules of logarithm to bring this 3 here. So this means this thing will become, let me write it here, log 3b times 3 into log b3. Now what we can do is we can switch the base of the log with this number if we make the entire logarithm reciprocal. So instead of writing this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 1 upon log, because it was 3 to base b, this becomes b to base 3. And now these two things are canceling out each other, so we're only left with 3. So we can say A is the answer. Which of the following is the solution of the equation? Okay, solution of the equation means uh, I just make x the subject from here and find the value of it. So it's 2 times 3 to the power 2, 2x divided by 7 equals 30. So if I divide both sides with 2, it is 3 to the power 2x over 7 equals 15. Now I want a log of 3 to be introduced on both sides. So I'll write log base 3 argument 3 upon the entire thing equals log base 3 to argument 15. Now, because when we have the same base and argument, this becomes 1. So we can write, we can choose not to write this, and this power we can bring it out using the logarithm rule. So we have this thing as our solution, which is x equals to 7 by 2, and then this log base 3 argument 15. So this aligns with option D.